Today we're going to be taking this 2009 Toyota Tacoma and this 1966 Jeep CJ5 on an adventure through a little creek crossing. We made it down here to the little tiny creek crossing. First we'll be attempting the little creek crossing.
Dude, I'm worried about the rear.
The rear.
How we
See
doing?
it. You're doing all right. Stop. Oh yeah. You might have hit the. Hold on. Show that.
It might be the D-ring. Yeah, that was totally the D-ring.
All right. Let's see it. Here we are. Cool. Driving in the water. There you go. Worried about the highway tires from 08.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, you may hit your exhaust? Oh, that's a close one. That's a close one.
And like we said, I'm fully in here with the room.
You're like this close to touching. Yeah, now you're fully in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh.